Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox and try on the Glossy Glow Kit from Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is a brand which I want to explore and try more products by this brand, and when I saw this kit I knew that this is the time. The Glossy Glow Kit is retailed for £29, and inside we have 3 mini size products and 1 full size product. It comes in this beautiful neon orange pouch. The pouch or the makeup bag looks gorgeous. And inside we have full size electric glossy lip plumper in a beautiful pink shade. Next we have a mini Kush mascara. Here we have a mini matte bronzer in the shade Baked. And the last product is the mini Hydro Grip primer. Okay guys, let's start with the Hydro Grip primer. I know that this primer is one of the best-seller products from Milk Makeup. Well, for me a face primer is not an essential product. A good face moisturizer can easily replace a face primer. Usually I don't buy face primers or makeup-based products. I prefer to moisturize the skin very well before applying a makeup product. About Hydro Grip primer, it feels refreshing on the skin. When you apply it, it feels quite sticky, but the stickiness disappears when the product is fully absorbed into the skin. It looks nice on the skin and it has a natural dewy finish. Until now, I like it very much. Now let's try the Electric Glossy Lip Plumper. This gel lip plumper will plump and moisturize the lips. The formula is not sticky and the shade is really nice. It's a beautiful bright pink color. On the lips looks beautiful. It has a plant scent. I don't like how it feels on the lips now. It starts to sting very bad. The shade is very nice, looks stunning on the lips, but I don't like how it wears. Next product to try is the mini matte bronzer. It's a cream bronzer with mango butter and avocado oil to hydrate and blend easily. The shade is very nice. I will apply it with a brush, and guys, this bronzer is lovely. It's blending effortless, very easy to use and blend. I like it a lot. I was sure that I will like it because I tried a cream blush from Milk Makeup and was lovely. What else I like in this bronzer is that it has a matte finish. Just gorgeous. And the last product to try is the mini Kush mascara. This is a volume mascara. About the mascara, I don't like it too much. The formula of this mascara is a bit dry. I don't feel like it's doing something to my lashes, just adding product without curve the lashes or give volume to the lashes. As a good side of this mascara is that it resists very well during the day, is not transferring under the eyes. And ta-da! Well, I like what I see, even if I didn't like all the products that I tried today. The look is exactly what I need, is fresh without heavy makeup, perfect for summer. About the products tried today, the most I liked the Hydro Grip primer. Even if I said about the primers that aren't an essential product for me, this one is very nice. It looks beautiful on the skin, is refreshing and moisturizing, definitely will be a good base for your makeup. If I will buy it? Nope, I will not buy it. On the second place is the mini matte bronzer. I love the formula of this bronzer, is blending effortless. During the day it doesn't resist very well, but even that I like it a lot. In the last time I'm obsessed with creamy makeup products. On the third place I will put the mini mascara. Even if it resists very well during the day, I don't like it too much. For me, for my lashes, it doesn't do anything. So nope, it's not a mascara that I like. And on the last place is the Electric Glossy Lip Plumper. Well, this gel lip plumper is awful. For me, it's a very strange lip gloss. I don't like it. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you will like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!